Folks, your instructor Mansoor Suhail from My Learning Center. We are going to talk about how can fax advertising help you grow your business. So let's get started. Fax marketing might seem like a way to reach a wide audience. Getting an ad via fax may not be very effective nowadays, since many people rely on media for news and shopping recommendations. With this in mind, fax ads need to be attention-grabbing to stand out to the consumer. When creating a fax ad, it's crucial to think about what will interest the recipient. Including images or text that catches their eye is key. The main goal is to pique their curiosity and make them want to read on. Ensuring that the ad offers something of value to keep readers engaged is essential. In the world of fax marketing, offering incentives is vital. If a recipient receives an ad without any offer, they are likely to discard it, feeling it's waste of paper and ink, and simply throw it away. Those who appreciate a bargain will be delighted to receive something in return for using that ink and paper, whether it's a discount voucher or a reduced rate. The key advice in fax advertising is ensuring that potential customers know how to contact you, whether by fax, phone, or online. It's crucial for them to reach out to take advantage of the offer you are presenting. It would be nonsensical if interested individuals could not contact with your company after being enticed by the fax advertisement. If a competitor provided their contact details instead, it would result in wasted money, inadvertently benefiting them. Fax machine advertising does not have to be outdated. There is still value in using fax machines as they present an opportunity to showcase your company's strengths. By keeping clients engaged and aware through this medium, you can capitalize on it to drive sales for your business. So folks, check out the link in the description to explore the steps for kickstarting your business. Our detailed guide offers a step-by-step approach to initiating your journey. And please, give this video a thumbs up, share it with your buddies, and ring the notification bell to stay updated on content that can help broaden your understanding. Thank you for watching.